What's up, guys? Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to our Motorsports YouTube channel. So we're not going to be working on a Datsun. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse at it. We had the rocker panel all finished up last time, and we were just getting ready to work on the dog leg. I've been gone probably about like 10 days since I worked on this thing. Ended up having a vacation. It's starting to get nice out, and I'm starting to work on the garage and the stuff around the house too. So it's getting a little busy, but we're gonna be back in here tomorrow. I'm just coming in here because this place is a fucking mess. So you see everything's all fucking all over the place. I want to get this area cleared, clean up this stuff, and just get rid of a lot of the garbage just accumulated here. So I'm gonna set you guys down in a time lapse. You guys are gonna watch me clean today, and then we will get right back to working on this thing tomorrow. I'm real excited because once we get this dog leg on, it's basically a couple little patch panels, this rear quarter, and then this top piece right here, the slam panel for the trunk. And that's all the metal work we really have. And then I'm gonna go through and we're gonna weld, seam weld, and stitch weld pretty much the entire car to give this thing a little bit more strength. But overall, I'm super excited. Most of this shit is done. All the frame rails are done, floors are done. All the missing metal on the bottom's all done. We have a, like I said, we have a couple like patch panels that we have to do. So I'm gonna cut that out, patch that in. We have to build a box here for this suspension mount here. And yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of other stuff to do. But let's get to cleaning, let's get this thing ready, and we'll be back here tomorrow working on this thing. But let's go. All right, dude, so it's been probably about like 30 minutes or so. Everything's all cleaned up. We are ready to work. Tomorrow, we're gonna come back in. We're gonna get this dog leg in and then start focusing on getting all this metal repair just so this whole entire passenger side is just completely complete. Because if you guys remember, we still have to go under there and build the jack points for the side skirts, and each corner is gonna have it. But yeah, once we get that done, we're probably gonna move to the back, start this rear quarter panel area, and get moving on this thing. I'm super excited. I'm looking for like July, August to have this thing done, because I am gonna tow this down to North Carolina to get it tuned. So, but I'll share that with you guys on another night. I'm just glad we're at a point where we can get back to working on this. Everything's cleaned up, all the metal's put away, and yeah, we're ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update. We're gonna be back on this tomorrow, and yeah, I'm super excited. See y'all later. Peace.